Hello students, today we are starting with a new chapter and that is logarithm. So first of all, keep it in mind that a function that is in the form y is equal to a to power x, where a is any real number, it's called an exponential function. For example, y is equal to 2 to power x. This is the exponential function. Now, already you studied the inverse function. In the inverse function, what you do? You interchange the domain and range. That means you replace y by x and x by y. So, keep it in mind that the inverse function of an exponential function the inverse function of an exponential function is the logarithmic function. Which is in the form y is equal to log of x to base a. Okay, so now let us study about the exponential form and the logarithmic form. So a to power x is equal to b. This is called as the exponential form. And the corresponding logarithmic form is log b to base a is equal to x. That means suppose a to power x is equal to b, I have to change to log form. Then I will take the logarithm of this number. So logarithm is taken of this number. That means whatever is the value in the exponential form, we are going to take the logarithm of that number. Then a will be the base of the logarithm. A is the base of logarithm. And x will be the value of the logarithm. So let us take an example here. 2 to power 3 is equal to 8. This is the exponential form. Change to logarithmic form. That means here I will take the log of 8, that is the value of the exponential form. Now 2 is the base in the exponential form, that will become the base of the logarithm, and 3 is the power or the index, that will become the value in the logarithmic form. Okay, take another example. 5 to power negative 1 is 0.2. Now you tell me, how will you change to log form? You have to change to logarithmic form. How will you do it? You'll take log of 0.2. What will be the base? Yes, the base will be 5 and the value of logarithm will be negative 1. Okay, now let us take some problems which are just in the opposite way. So, write in the index form. Now, keep one thing in mind. Suppose you have the log form as log of b to base a is equal to, say, m. Then when you change to index form, a becomes the base of the index form. So this a is the base. Whatever is the value in the log form m, that will become the index in the index form, and the number whose logarithm is taken b, that is the value in the index form. So a to power m is equal to b. So take this example. Suppose I want to change log of 25 to base 5 is equal to 2. So what will be the index form? In the index form, the base will be 5. Now the value of the logarithm is 2. That will become the power 5 square. And the logarithm is taken of 25. That will be the value of the index form. Take another example. Suppose log of 100 to base 10 is equal to 2. What will be the index form? The base is 10, the index is 2, power is 2, and the value in the index form will be 100. Okay, so this is how you can change the index form to log form, and conversely the log form to index form. Now let us see another type of problems here. So here, find the value of the logarithm without using a calculator. Without using a calculator. So log 2401, 2401 to base 7. Okay, I want to find out the value of this without using any calculator. So I will say that let log 2401 to base 7 be equal to x. Now change this to the index form. So in index form, 7 will be the base, x will be the power, and the value in the index form will be 2401. Keep one thing in mind, because the base in the index form is 7. That means 2401 should be surely some power of 7. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 cube is 343, and 7 to power 4 is 2401. Now obviously this part you can do on the calculator, but you can't use the calculator for directly finding the log. Okay, so if you do this on calculator, 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 or 7 to power 4, you will get 2401. So now on both sides the base is 7, so I can equate the index. So I can say x is equal to 4, and hence log 2401 to base 7, the value of this will be 4. Okay, let us take one more problem of the same type. Evaluate log 0.04 to base 5 without using any calculator. So take this as x. Change to index form. So we'll get 5 to power x is equal to 0.04, which is, I can write it as 4 upon 100. Now 4 upon 100 is 1 upon 25, and 1 upon 25 is 1 upon 5 square. Now you know the laws of indices. So 1 upon a to power m, by laws of indices I can write it as a to power negative m. So 1 upon 5 square I can write it as 5 to power negative 2. So I get 5 to power x is equal to 5 to power negative 2. So that means x is equal to negative 2. Or that means the value of log 0.04 to base 5 is negative 2. Okay, take one more problem here. Log a to power 10 to base a. I want to find out the value of this. So again, I will take this as x. So if I change this to index form, I get a to power x is equal to a to power 10. Okay, now since the bases are same, I get x is equal to 10. Okay, so first I change to index form. The base will be a, power will be x, and the value will be a to power 10. And hence log a to power 10 to base a will be equal to 10. Okay. Now certain results, keep them in mind. Already you have done the chapter of indices. So what is the meaning of any number to power 0? What will be the value? A to power 0. Yes, that is equal to 1. So if we change this to log form, what will you get? Log of 1 to base a is equal to 0, which means log of 1 to any base is always 0, irrespective of the base. For example, if I have log of 1 to base 7, that will be 0. Okay, so whatever base it may be, log of 1 will be always 0. Secondly, anything to power 1 will be what? It is the same number. A to power A is equal to A to power 1 is equal to A. So if I change this to log form, what I will get? Log of A to base A is equal to 1. Okay. A to power 1 is equal to A. I change it to log form. So that means log of A, the base will be A equal to 1. Which means log of any number to same base will be always 1. Take for example, I have log of 4 to base 4. That will be 1. So these two results are very useful in solving the problems. So I will give you some problems for practice. Practice problems. So first one, write in the log form. Write in the log form, logarithmic form. So the first one is 5 to power 4 is 625, and the second one 9 cube is 729. Then write in the index form. Write in the index form. So first one, log 4096 to base 8 is equal to 4. And part B, log 1331 to base 11 is equal to 3. So these two things you have to write them in index form. And the third, evaluate without using a calculator. So the first one, log 6561 to base 9. 6561 to base 9. Then part B, log 216 to base 6. And C, log 8 to power 7 to base 8. Now keep it in mind that in part A and B, in part A, the base is 9, so surely 6561 will be some power of 9, which you can find on the calculator. Don't find the direct value of the logarithm on the calculator. Okay. Similarly, in the second case, 216 should be some power of 6. Okay. So try these problems and let me know your doubts. Enjoy the day ahead, students. See you in the next class.